Hey. Good afternoon, everybody. A little in-office intro. Want to talk about what's happening here. We had 2 weeks of winter a week ago. Freezing cold. Pressure washing into 30-degree weather for 2 weeks. And now summer has appeared. And they say that the rest of February is going to be warm. 80 degrees for the high for the next couple weeks. Then spring, summer, blazing hot again. So what does that do? That triggers a telephone to ring. Booked all next week. Got this week booked and next week. Just in one day worth of phone calls today. Anyway, that's going good. Check out the pool coating. I'm going to show you what it looks like in this film today. I just uncovered it because I did some sealing yesterday. We want it to dry in the sun every day for a couple of days till it's totally cured. Okay? Now, this is part 3. If you go to my site, part 2 and part 1. Cool coating install. How to install cool coating. Pretty cool stuff. All right, I'm Don. Enjoy the video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Get after it. Hey, good Monday morning. That's right, Monday's here again. Man, it came fast. Got a lot of work done on the pool deck over the weekend. I got videos for you guys to check out. Go ahead and check it out. Today we got a house wash and a driveway to do. Pretty quick day. Then tomorrow we got a mobile home and a pool cage. Following day we got a house wash. We got another pool cage and another pool cage, driveway. Then we have the health department in Dade City on Sunday. And we're going to be finishing the pool deck on Saturday. So I have a very busy week this week, and I'm taking Monday off. Got to go down and see the doctor, see if these supplements are doing me good, get my pancreas working again in working order without taking any kind of harsh drugs or anything. I'm not in bad shape, just trying to get it down a little bit lower. My sugar level's just a little bit too much, but not alarming. We can make it. All right, we'll see you at the job. Let's get after it. Hey, good morning. Here we are. Got a driveway to do. Got some weeds right there. We'll take the turbo nozzle with that. A couple more in this crack and up here. Always make sure you do that when you're doing driveways. Don't ever leave the weeds. If you do that, you look like a schmuck, right? All right, this is a regular customer. I've done this driveway before. We were next door over here a couple weeks ago. You can see, oh, look at them red walkways over there. Beautiful. All right, we got some tough stuff right there in the corner. That's a possible candidate for pump up. Look how dingy the soffit is. Very dirty. See how this is back here? What's this fence look like? We'll go ahead and hit the back of the fence. For the gentleman, let me see. It's not too bad. Just come around here. He's back here moving stuff. Let's see what he's got going on. He's still working on it. All right. That's to put hurricane stuff up. All right, we'll be right back. All right, back to what we were talking about. See around the AC. Move all these bricks out of the way. Clean everything up. It's all algae and moldy back here. Hey, I think some of that's moss. You see that? It's just real dingy. Driveway's dingy. And this is all it takes to make your house look good, you know? All right, so we're going to start right here. SH all the way around. Rinse it all the way back. Hose is going to be in the grass over there. Get the concrete done, rinse this all off. Head to the back there. There's a concrete slab where he's moving all that stuff off of there. We'll get that cleaned up, and then we'll be getting after it. All right. SH all the way from the Titan all the way around, down around the back. So what I'm gonna do now, go get the pump up. I'm gonna hit these spots. There's some spots there and some up there by the peak, and there's some on that windowsill down there. All right, all this is good. Don't see any pump up here. And we got all the way down to the second window here, just a little past, right up to there. Okay, all right, so all this looks pretty good. We'll let it dwell a little bit and we'll be back for the satisfying rinse. Let's go ahead and get this pump up stuff done. Then by the time we come back around, put the pump up away and all that, this stuff will be gone. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Everything is spotlessly clean. Now there's some people on some of these forums that think you need to soft wash stucco. I do stucco every day with Downstream. I don't know about you, but wow, that's some pretty darn clean stucco if you ask me. Okay, troublesome areas. What? I don't see them. There's one there, right? All that orange stuff was up there. Whoa, I don't see it. We'll come down here. Oh my goodness. All that orange stuff's gone out of the window. Just the pump up will bail you out many times over. It's clutch, like parents with kids would tell you. All right, let's get after the satisfying rinse. Then we'll get after that driveway around the back, and this party's gonna be over. All right, let the fun begin. Boom. Have a look. Looks good. Look at that stucco. It's shining. Everything's looking great. Okay, we're just going to continue on down the side of the house. SH it all on down from here and head around to the back of that little porch. Get all that done. Not that far to go. Then we'll rinse our way back and we'll get this driveway done with our hose all on this side of the concrete. Hose management, always remember that. All right, let's get after it. All right, we had to take a short break there, blew a hose. This 100-footer's been on the truck for over 6 months. So it's probably got a lot to do with my restrictions on downstream injection. Like the other day when I was pulling on it hard on the hose reels, it kinked it. So that hose has been kinked a bunch of times. So if it's kinked somewhere, it'll stop the injection from flowing if it's squished in the line. That makes a lot of sense. So this is a brand new 100-footer on here. We shouldn't have any more problems. We got that big job in Dade City over the weekend. We got more new hose in there, and we got another new 50-foot on there, so we're going to be good to go there. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. We're done all the way to that window right there. Everything's SH. We'll just spray some straight stuff right there. We'll let that dwell a little bit longer before we rinse. And that's going to be satisfying. And then we'll get after that driveway. Then we're going to go home and uncover the pool coating that we did, protecting it from the fog, because I put some more sealer on it last night. So you'll get to see, if you haven't been following along, you'll get to see how that came out. Came out really good. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Looking good. Cleaned all around there. Will we see how dirty this was over here? Well, look at that. Looks good. Looks back to new again, huh? All right, now we're going to walk this gun down to the driveway here. And we're going to get after this driveway with the Mini Mondu at 10 gallons a minute, baby. Let's get after it. Let's have a look. Driveway's all done. All we got left to do is the satisfying rinse and turbo tip. Let's get after it. Turbo nozzle, man. Get it right. That's a wrap. There you go. Cleaned, pressure washed, pre-treated, post-treated, Mini Mondu. All the weeds are out of the crack. That looks like a professional job. Rinsed all the cars off. The whole house looks brand new. That's how you do it here at Super Blast. And we need to rinse the side of this fan off. All right, let's get after it. We'll see you at the next one. Got a driveway. Let's go home and check that pool deck out, shall we? Hey, check it out. Did that come out nice or what? Stairs are all nice and textured. What you doing on my new deck there, homie? Get off. But look at the texture of that. Looks really, really good. Anyway, you can see the old. See how that crack is? There was cracks. All these patches were all over there. You don't see any of that over there. What a great product to redo your pool deck for thousands of dollars less. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and we'll see you at the next job. Hey, here we are. Short little driveway. It's got some weeds in the cracks and stuff. There's only a couple, so we'll probably get away with the ball valve. We'll see. If not, probably not. There's some there, some along the edge here. We want to get all those out. All right, so first thing we're going to do is pre-treat this. Get it all pre-treated. Mini Mondu it. You can see he's parked right there. Alice, she's parked right there. Then we'll do it down to the curb there. See where that water meter thing is and the blue dot on the sidewalk? We'll go ahead and get it down to there. All the way to the front door and this. And to the hedge line. Done. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look at this. Came out really nice. Pre-treat, clean, get the weeds out of the cracks, post-treat. Boom, it looks great. The customer's happy. We'll see you tomorrow, all right? Get after it.